Click on Allocations. Enter the unit number that you wish to view. Click into the unit under the serial number. Here you will have visual of the tank measurements. You will also be able to view the call history by entering the start date and the end date, either by table or by graph. If you want to view the contract, view contract. Here you will find the start date. If you no longer wish to have this unit, please click the allocation and confirm that you wish to deallocate the unit. This way, the end user will not have visual of the readings. Do not forget to cancel the unit by going into Contracts, entering the unit number, search, edit contract, status, do not renew, and enter the reason why.